Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. Delta Airlines grounds aircraft, recent incidents and operational challenges. Delta Airlines, one of the largest carriers in the United States, has faced multiple incidents in recent weeks that have led to the grounding of aircraft, causing significant operational disruptions. These events, ranging from severe weather impacts to mechanical failures, highlight the complexities of maintaining a vast fleet and ensuring passenger safety. Below are 10 key points summarizing the recent incidents involving Delta grounding aircraft, their causes and the broader implications. Hailstorm grounds over 100 aircraft in Atlanta on June 27, 2025. A severe hailstorm struck Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, ATL, Delta's primary hub, forcing the airline to ground over 100 aircraft for safety inspections. The storm brought quarter-inch hail, high winds, and flash flooding, damaging aircraft surfaces and infrastructure. The air traffic control tower was evacuated for nearly 90 minutes, exacerbating delays. Delta cancelled approximately 581 flights on June 28 and 554 on June 29, with ripple effects across its domestic and international network, delaying passengers and stranding crews. Wing flap incident on Delta Flight 3247 on July 1, 2025. Delta Flight 3247, a Boeing 737-900ER traveling from Atlanta to Raleigh-Durham International Airport, RDU, lost a portion of its left wing's trailing edge flap mid-flight. The aircraft, carrying 109 passengers and 6 crew members, landed safely, but a several feet-long metal fragment was later found in a Raleigh driveway. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, is investigating whether the debris is from the missing flap, and Delta has grounded the aircraft for inspection. This incident underscores the risks of in-flight mechanical failures. Regional jets grounded for Wi-Fi inspections on June 6, 2025. Delta's regional subsidiary, Endeavour Air, grounded 45 Delta connection jets, approximately 30% of its CRJ fleet, to inspect their Wi-Fi systems. While the exact issue wasn't disclosed, the grounding suggests a safety-related concern, as in-flight connectivity issues alone wouldn't typically warrant such action. This led to around 75 flight cancellations and limited disruptions into the following day. Delta's customer service teams worked to rebook passengers, highlighting the airline's efforts to mitigate impacts. Emergency landing due to fuel leak on June 23, 2025. Delta Flight 1622, an Airbus A321 with 191 passengers, diverted to Norfolk International Airport after a reported fuel leak. The aircraft, en route from New York's John F. Kennedy International Airport to Orlando, landed safely and was inspected before continuing its journey. This incident required grounding the aircraft temporarily for maintenance, emphasizing the importance of rapid response to potential safety issues. Flight cancellations amid severe weather. The June 27 storm in Atlanta led to broader operational challenges, with Delta canceling nearly 1,000 flights over the weekend. The storm's intensity, including lightning and microburst winds, triggered ground stops and diverted 90 flights to other southeastern airports. Delta's recovery efforts were hampered by the need to reposition aircraft and crews, with additional delays expected as flight crews completed mandatory rest periods. FAA investigation into wing flap incident. The FAA's investigation into the Delta Flight 3247 wing flap incident is ongoing, focusing on whether the debris found in Raleigh matches the missing component. Delta is cooperating fully, emphasizing that nothing is more important than safety. The incident has raised concerns among residents and aviation experts about the potential dangers of falling aircraft parts, though no injuries were reported. Operational ripple effects. The Atlanta hailstorm and Wi-Fi inspections disrupted Delta's network, causing missed connections, stranded aircraft, and scheduling challenges for crews. Passengers faced delays and cancellations, with Delta offering to cover competitor flights, hotels, and rental cars to mitigate the impact, as outlined in an internal document. Delta's safety-first approach. Delta has consistently prioritized safety in response to these incidents. After the hailstorm, technicians worked overnight to inspect aircraft for hail damage, particularly to critical components like the fuselage. Similarly, the grounding of the Boeing 737-900ER and regional jets reflects Delta's commitment to thorough inspections when safety is at stake, even at the cost of operational disruptions. Public and industry reactions. The wing flap incident sparked discussions on travel forums, with passengers praising Delta's safety record but expressing concern about parts falling mid-flight. The hailstorm disruptions drew attention to the challenges of managing unpredictable weather at a major hub like Atlanta. Industry experts noted that while aviation safety is robust, these incidents highlight the need for rigorous maintenance and transparency. Broader context of Delta's fleet management. Delta operates a fleet of nearly 1,300 aircraft, including Boeing and Airbus models, with a strategy emphasizing flexibility and reliability. Recent groundings align with the airline's proactive approach to maintenance, as seen in its decision to retire older Boeing 737-700s in favor of newer Airbus A220s and A319s. These incidents, while disruptive, reflect Delta's efforts to maintain a modern, safe fleet amid operational and environmental challenges. In conclusion, Delta Airlines' recent aircraft grounding stem from a combination of severe weather, mechanical issues, and proactive safety measures. The hailstorm at Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson Airport and the wing flap incident in Raleigh highlight the unpredictability of aviation operations, while the Wi-Fi inspections and fuel leak diversion demonstrate Delta's commitment to safety. These events, though disruptive, underscore the airline's focus on passenger safety and operational resilience, even as they navigate the complexities of a vast network and aging fleet. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.